Hello, welcome back to our channel HardReset.Info. In this video I want to show you how to improve text visibility with contrast mode on Android 16. So there's feature outline text, that is basically the high contrast mode. On your device, let's go to settings, and now you need to scroll down until you see accessibility section. Now let's go to section with your display, and then you need to tap on display size and text. And if you scroll down, you will see here outline text option. You need to enable it and it will change automatically. So your text will be with increased contrast. So that's it. I really hope that you find this video helpful. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.